friends, Brian back with an Algorand ALGO token update. Have not forgot about you for 1 second. I have a lot of followers out there for Algorand. I've been waiting for this measurement of this wedge breakdown to complete, and it has. Okay, we have some super bullish stuff going on in this market right now. I know everybody's in fear out there, and everybody's turning their back to the crypto market. And this is when things happen. This is the prime time. But look at these red candles on this thing, okay? Definitely had a fall there. When we measured this out in the last video, we put this line down here, came down to hit it perfectly, all right? We have finished this move here. Now we're looking to head up. Now, I got some very big things to show you guys that are pointing to a pretty big jump in this market. Let me show you number one, the dollar index, okay? This is the DXY. This is on the daily chart. Let me expand this out here. I see nobody talking about this, okay? I check this thing out every single day, all right? We had this blue line here, okay, was support. Let me make that a little thicker. All right, there we go. Was support. It's been support since, well, if you go back to May of 21, over 2 years now, just about 2 years, okay? We rode that up. We rode that 50 EMA up here. We dropped through the 50 also, okay? Then we lost this support line, the blue line. Fell through it. Now let's zoom in a little bit. Okay. Fell through it, got a little bit of a retrace. Now it is resistance. Former support turned resistance, continuation down. Now nobody is talking about this. If you invert this chart, this is perfect for break. If this was a breakout, okay, you have your former resistance, the breakout of the resistance, the retest, continuation. Okay, this is going to lose that 100.7. It's going to come down in the 99s, 98, 97 area, somewhere down here for a fifth wave. I'm like 99.9% confident that that's going to happen. All right, it on the daily RSI on that thing, it is at the, it's just rolling over. Okay, so that's one thing. Falling dollar means rising crypto prices. And if we go to Bitcoin, I'm just going to skim over this real quick. Bitcoin, I expect it to come down maybe just a hair more, down to that 26.9, 26.8 to meet up with that 50 EMA right here, coming up to meet it, get the bounce off of that, and have some kind of retrace here, some kind of break up. Okay, now the daily RSI on Bitcoin is almost reset. Let me show you these higher out the 12-hour, all zeros over here, all zeros, totally reset. The 8-hour, totally reset. The 4 is down near the bottom, and the 2 and the 1, they move up and down all day long. Okay, the 2's rolling over and the 1's rolling over. We want all of them to be at the bottom. Should be by tomorrow morning. We're already halfway there with the daily. We got triple zeros on the left, and this thing's looking good. Bitcoin is looking great. Now let's get back to Algo here, and I want to just show you guys a real quick article here, because this is important. Ever since this SEC stuff has come out, then I'm going to show you how bullish Algo looks here for a retrace of some kind, or what's going to go on here. But this SEC thing has really hurt us. Okay, Algorand down 10%, despite Foundation claims that it is not a security. Algorand Foundation CEO Stacy Warden said they would not respond to other SEC allegations because they are not a party to the lawsuit. According to CryptoSlate's data, Algo dropped to 19,642 during the reporting, continuing its recent spate of decline, down 14% in the last 30 days. It says the SEC labels Algo as a security. That stuff, I remember when it happened to XRP right before Christmas a couple years ago. I had a pretty good bag of XRP, and it happened, and it was devastating, horrible, and it crushed XRP there for a while. So this has definitely not helped us at all. But we're going to move on here. Algorand Foundation refutes the SEC's claims. This could go on for years. They can end up settling out of court. The SEC sometimes, I wonder if it's just a money grab. They seem to like to settle a lot of these out of court for fines. Okay, so we'll see how it plays out. But right now, Algorand is saying that it's not a security, so it doesn't have a comment to the SEC going after Bittrex here. So let's move on. Here's your crypto bubbles. This is for the hour. A lot of red. All these are, don't look into it too much. RSI's resetting, especially daily RSI's. We're setting up for a really nice move in this market. The crypto fear and greed index, the market cap is down 1.3%. Volume is down 12.5%. I expect that to pick up massively. Bitcoin dominance is down 0.25%, and look where we are in the crypto fear and greed indicator, at 50 now. We were at a 68 last week. So here's your top 100 coins from CoinMarketCap. Go down through them here for you real quick. And when I show you this algo chart, if you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that so much. Going to do another giveaway at the end of the month. All you have to do to win is be a subscriber. Gave away 100 ADA Cardano tokens last month. Here is the chart. Okay, we were talking about this ABC inside this wedge. We said that would break us down. It broke us down. Okay, this was the measured move, this yellow line, and we've come down and hit it perfectly. Okay, these measurements always have a way of working out. Okay, now what I want to point out. Okay, look at our daily RSI. Now let's go to the 12 and the 8. Look at that, all zeros. The 8, all zeros. The 4, right down at the bottom. Okay, or 2 and 1, them things, like I said, they go up and down all day, or daily. Our higher time frames are almost all reset. Okay, so we have a bounce coming. Not financial advice, my opinion. Okay, we'll have to see when we get up here. All right, the first target area is right at that 20 cents. Then at 702 is up at 21.40. Okay, we want to get up through that 786 at 22 cents, you know, to be looking at higher prices. But we'll have to see what happens when we get up to 618 and 702. But just wanted to throw a little bit of calmness out there. Okay, we have a bounce coming. All right, I believe I would not be selling my tokens right now. Okay, that's a rash decision. It's not financial advice. Me myself, I would not be doing that. But we're going to get a retrace. We always do. So we got something coming, something brewing up big time here. So everybody have a good night. Thank you so much. Please hit that subscribe and that like button. And God bless all you. Have a great night, everybody.